Be fun. So wait, Danny, you're Ace Ventura?
I'm Ace Ventura.
Okay.
I'm here to save you. Stay over there, please.
How am I supposed to record all the fun?
Your vicious dog.
What kind of bird is that?
I swear he's like a hawk. Clyde, go away. I don't trust you, buddy. He's got like a little feathers in his mouth. Look at his little hand. He's got a little gripper on him.
You think he hurt his wing?
He's too young. I don't know. He needs to just chill right here, though. Can I have my finger back? Okay. It's okay, buddy. He's got something in his mouth. Looks like he... See all the feathers and stuff?
Yeah.
Hey. It's okay. Yeah, he's stressed out. Let's just let him chill.
Okay.